263 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate.
मैं गुजारिश करता हूं कि अगर ये क्वेश्चन सर ये इतना बड़ा एजेंडा नहीं है, आप लोगों का ही एजेंडा है, इसको चलने दें हाउस को, उसके बाद आप बात करें जी। आप मोशन ले लें जी, छोड़ें जी, जी मोशन ले लें।
To approve the all necessary administrative and financial decisions in relation to the smooth and efficient functioning of the Commission. Second,
Those who are in favor of the motion में से आप
carried with effect.
It has been moved under Rule 263 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that
263 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that the requirements of Rule 25, 27, 30 and 95 of the said rules be dispensed with.
the motion is carried. Razara
Bill 2022 be
The bill is then referred to Standing Committee, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. I hereby prorogue the Senate session on the conclusion of its business on Friday, the 21st October 2022. Dr. Arif Alvi, signed President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.